Welcome to the video. Are you interested in knowing about surface finishing? Why it's so important? How it's carried out? What finishing options do we employ in CNC machining? Alright then, this video is going to be very helpful for you. I'm going to explain the topic in a professional manner. That'll be enough for you to have a sound understanding of vital surface finishes. Let's first see the definition of surface finish. It is the measure of texture of a part's surface. That is described by three attributes, including surface roughness, waviness, and lay. It's a process that can change a surface by removing, adding, or reshaping it. The main objective of finishing the product is to achieve certain attributes and functionalities, like enhanced aesthetic appeal and appearance, to render additional strength and wear resistance, improved conductivity, and protection against chemical reactions, etc. Now let's see what options we use to finish CNC machine parts. Polishing. Polishing is done to achieve a smooth and shiny surface. Surface is rubbed or applied with a chemical treatment that yields a clean surface with a significant specular reflection. It can also reduce diffuse reflection of some materials to minimum. Electro polishing. It is used to remove unwanted micro peaks from metal surface. It is an electrochemical process used to level tiny peaks on the surface and ameliorate surface roughness. Bead blasting. This finishing technique is used to clean part surface and refine the overall appearance. That creates a homogeneous surface with a rough or dull texture. Bead blasting is a type of shot blasting that involves shooting high-pressure materials, glass or steel beads, at part surface. Sanding. It renders a smooth and polished surface. It makes the use of a sandpaper or sand. Sandpaper pore sizes affect the smoothness of the surface. Plating. Plating means applying a thin coating of metal. In this method, a metal is deposited on a conductive surface. Electroplating helps to improve the strength, durability, and lifespan of metallic parts. Anodizing. Anodizing is an electrochemical passivation process that provides anodic oxide finish. It introduces surface durability, aesthetics, and improved corrosion resistance. It uses aluminum as anode, de-elevates natural oxide layer on the surface. Powder coating. Powder coating is such a finishing method in which dry, free-flowing, thermoplastic, or thermoset powder material is applied electrostatically to a surface and then cured under heat or with ultraviolet light. It helps to achieve great product finishes in respect of functionality and appearance. We hope you liked the video. It was created by Shanghai Elue Senior Engineer for you. Shanghai Elue is one-stop global CNC machining workshop. We've served many sectors in different geographies of the world. We are amongst China's leading CNC machining services providers. We have 17 years of experience in this field. We are ISO-9001 and IATF-16949 certified workshop. We have a great team of highly skilled, seasoned and passionate designers, engineers, and technicians. If you want to manufacture precision parts, then just contact us. Our senior correspondent will reach out to you shortly.